It looks like a normal car, but it isn't. These are electric cars, and arriving at United Nations headquarters Thursday, they came to drive home an important issue: the fight to boost sustainable energy supplies for the 2.5 billion people around the world who still have little or no access to electricity. Later, representatives from both private and public sectors signed a joint agreement with the UN, launching a new global initiative to advance sustainable energy development. The initiative aims to produce so-called green economies in some of the world's poorest countries, functioning economic systems that focus on human well-being and equality, as well as care for the environment. Kande Yumkela, Director General of the UN Industrial Development Organization, says the time for action is now.
You cannot achieve much in green economy if you don't deal with the energy issue up front. You cannot achieve the Millennium Development Goals without having access to energy and electricity for the poorest of the poor.